Hello guys and welcome back. Today we got the Lenovo Tab M8. So we're going to be unboxing this. So it says it has a powerful octa-core chip, a 13MP rear camera with flash, long battery life, Wi-Fi 2.4G and 5 GHz dual bands with Android technology. Let's look at the side and then looks kind of good, and that's why we are here. So if you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe, and if you like gaming, subscribe to my other channel. And yeah, let's unbox this. And here we go, the tab has this nice finish. Nice. Okay, how does it open? Okay, it opens like this, and here we go. This is the tab. Okay, let's take out the tab. Okay, so here's the camera and all. Let's take that out of the packaging. Okay, we got that nice metal finish with Dolby audio. Okay, sounds good. Now let's keep that aside and let's see what's in this. Okay, over here first we have they don't say how many watts. Okay, they don't say how many watts, but this is a USB type micro USB charger. Let's keep that there. Let's close that. And over here, what do we get? We get the SIM ejecting tool, and oh my god, and a quick start guide. Yeah, whatever. Let's just close this. Okay, so what do you get in the box? You get the tablet. You get charger, SIM ejector tool, and this. Okay, so let's open this. Oh, okay. That looks like really good. It has that nice finish with a flash camera, Dolby audio. Like 1 minute. Here, Dolby audio. Let's see if this has any charge. Oh, okay. So the power buttons actually have some grip to it. Oh, it has some charge. Okay. Lenovo powered by Android. Okay. Okay, they got that logo. Hello. Okay, so let's go start.
2 hours later.
Oh, this has facial recognition. Yeah, we'll do that later. Okay. Okay, what is 20? Okay, so it makes a sound. Oh, so here is the tab. Okay. I mean, it looks good. We got this thing here. Let's look at the camera quality. It does look good. guys, and this is a recording sample of the tab. Not, I'm not joking right now. Okay, we got Netflix as bloatware and all, clear all, and yeah. So now that we have unboxed this thing and set it up, let's test some stuff out. By the way, so this has facial recognition. So let's test it out. Let's just put a password right now. So right now facial recognition is set. Okay, that's fast. Let's try it again. Mind you, I'm just keeping here. I'm not touching it. Wait, what? Okay, let's try it again. Okay. Again, let's try it. Fast. Fast. Okay, so facial recognition is fast. So let's show you. So right now the Android version is 9. Okay, so this is Android Pie OS, which is 9, and this is 64 GB storage and 4 GB RAM, and the CPU is MediaTek Helio, and this is almost like a HD display, and its front camera is 5 MP, its rear camera is 12 MP. So yeah, it's literally done. Let's talk about ports and buttons. On the top we have a blast speaker, and then we have a headphone jack. Thank God it's still there. We have a huge bump for the camera. Okay, I'm scared about keeping it down. Then we have SIM card tray here. Below we have a microphone and a micro USB port. On this side we have the power button, slightly grilled, I don't know if you guys can see it. It's slightly grilled and the volume thing. Yeah, so now let's wait for it. And then on the top we have a symbol of the camera. We have Lenovo here. We have a sticker here, Dolby, flash, and yeah, let's get it finished. Okay, so we got the SIM ejector tool, and let's check if this is like hybrid or. Oh my god, why does this feel loose? Okay, so this is it's kinda tight, Oh my god, why do I feel like it's gonna break? Okay, so one side we got the SIM, and then the other side we have the micro SD. Okay, let's keep them back. Let's keep it back. Why is that blue light shining? What are you shining for? And yeah, so it's a hybrid. Android system is finishing update. Okay, let's look at the notification bar. It looks pretty good. Okay, you got eye protection. Let's see what that does. What do you do? Okay, I don't know what it does. Done. So I just downloaded a little game which I can test, not too high, not too low. Yeah, let's play it. Okay. Because of its 4 GB RAM, it gives a smooth gameplay. It is really smooth, and because of its HD display, the colors and the games look really good. Okay. Yeah, and that's the game. Yeah, and that's it. I hope you liked today's video. And if you are actually thinking of buying this tab, it's like really good. The tab's link is in the description. And thanks for watching. That's it, guys.